Hey everyone, welcome to week 2 of our online optional continuous learning. Week 1, we had a lot of good participation in the simulations, which is awesome. Again, remember that this is optional in this class, and for those of you that are in a lot of GMAT classes and are a lot of AP classes, I understand the rigor in those right now and how those are required, or you want to get some of that knowledge for your AP exam. So just remember that these are optional, but I think that these simulations can actually be a little bit fun. So a little bit of a break from maybe your traditional assignments. So just a reminder, office hours, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. But of course, if you email me at any time, and I've had a few people email me to reset a simulation, if you run through it too many times, it runs out, but I could reset it and you could start fresh. So don't hesitate to send me an email if you're hooked on trying to figure it out and you run out of attempts, just send me an email. Okay, so just a reminder, the 4 P's of marketing are price, product, promotion, and place. Well, so far for price, we talked about the price of tickets, our very first simulation. The price of concessions were pretty important. So we've hit price. Product, well, that's what we're going to do next week, actually. That's picking a band. That's the product for our stadium. And this week we're going to be doing promotion, so I'll talk about that in just a second. And then place. The place would be our stadium, so anything to do with the operations of our stadium. So stadium staffing, the parking, the ingress and egress, remember coming in and out of the stadium, all the things to do with our place or our stadium would be the 4P of place. So this week we're going to be talking about promotion. So the 2 simulations this week are promotion with traditional media and promotion with social media. So with traditional media, you're going to start out by using print media. Think of print media as maybe advertisements in magazines, newspapers, anything printed like that. And then you're going to do some market research. So it's really important anytime you're doing any sort of marketing, any sort of advertising, that you do your market research. Figure out what is working, what would work better, what's not working. So you're going to do some research using a survey and then switch to radio. So radio is another traditional form of promotion that we probably don't think of very often. And then the second simulation, you're going to use social media. So starting out by using no social media and just seeing how it goes for that concert. And then you do kind of a similar thing to Facebook, create a post with pictures. And then the market research with social media, I think is the best part about social media is you could track it digitally. How many people click and interact with your advertisement on social media? This is a lot easier to track than with traditional media. So that is what you're going to be doing for the simulations this week. And remember, there's a discussion board that's optional as well. It's another way to receive feedback from me. Otherwise, you'll receive your scores from your simulations. But again, if you guys have any questions or anything that you just need to maybe talk to somebody else about, send me an email. I can help you out with your other classes maybe if you're just trying to juggle everything. But hopefully this is not overwhelming. That's not my intent at all. Hopefully this is something that is kind of fun and a little different from your other classes. So hope you all have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.